Let us suppose the room is dark so that you cannot see the pen. You know or hope there is a pen on the table, along with a variety of other objects. Your hand will begin to grope back and forth, performing zigzag motion, rejecting one object after another, until the pen is found and recognized. This is an example of second type of servo mechanism. Recalling a name temporarily forgotten is another example. A scanner in which your brain scans through your stored memories until the correct name is recognized. A computer solves problems much the same way. First of all, a great deal of data must be fed into the machine. This store information is machine memory. A problem is posed to the machine. It scans through its memory until it locates the only answer that is consistent with and meet with all the conditions of the problem. Problem and answer together constitute a whole situation or structure. When part of the situation or structure is given to the machine, it locates the only missing part on the right side brick, so to speak, the complete the structure. The more that is learned about human brain, the more closely it resembles, insofar as function is concerned, a servo mechanism. For example, Dr. Penfield, who was a director of Montreal Neurological Institute, reported at a meeting of National Academy of Science that he had discovered a recording mechanism in a small area of a brain that apparently faithfully records everything the person has ever experienced, observed, or learned. During a brain operation in which a patient was fully awake, Dr. Penfield happened to touch a small area of cortex with a surgical instrument. At once, the patient exclaimed that he was reliving an incident from her childhood, which she had consciously forgotten. Further, her experience along this line brought the same result. When certain area of cortex were touched, the patient did not merely remember past experience, they relieved them. Experience as a very real, all the sights, sounds, and sensation of the original experience. It was just as if the past experience had been recorded on a tape recorder and played back. It is still a mystery how a mechanism as small as human brain can store such vast amount of information. British neurophysicist Dr. Gray Walter has said at least 10 billion electronic cells would be needed to build a festival of man brain. These cells would occupy about 1.5 million cubic feet, and several additional millions of cubic feet would be needed for the nerves or wiring. Power required to operate it would be a 1 billion hats. Thanks for watching.